Hello and welcome back to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Geyser to your Minecraft server. Now what Geyser lets you do is it enables Bedrock clients to come on to your Java server. So the first thing you need to do in installing this is installing Spigot to your server. This is very easy on our panel. So head to empowerservers.com, click on the server control panel on the top right, then click manage on your server. Now head to configuration, advanced, and you want to change the edition to Spigot and then choose your version. Now I'm going to be choosing 1.16.5, but you can choose whatever version you want as long as it's compatible with Geyser. And then I'm just going to press install edition and it's going to install. Once it's installed, I'm just going to check, go to management, file management, and there it is, the server.jar. So we can go to system, console, and we can start up our server. When you get a pop-up about accepting the EULA, press I accept and then OK. Once you see the server is marked as on, that means we're ready to install Geyser. So head to Google, type in Geyser MC, and then the first website should be the website we're looking for. Now we need to head to download. Once we're here, I'm going to download Geyser Spigot jar, so click on that. And then you'll want to install it anywhere you can find it for later. So press save. Next, you want to install Floodgates, so come up to the top here and click on Geyser MC, and then click on Floodgate, and then click on the master, and then download the Floodgate bucket.jar, and I'm just going to put that in the same folder I put Geyser in. Once you've got those two files, head back to control.empowerservers.com, head to management, file management, head into the newly generated plugins folder, and we want to upload these two files here. So on the left, click the upload button, and then find your two .jar files, and we want to upload the Spigot one first, and wait for the bar to go green. Once that's been uploaded, we need to install the Floodgate, press upload again, and click on Floodgate and press open and wait for that to upload. Once they've been both uploaded, we now need to restart our server for these changes to take effect. So head to system, console, and then restart your server. Once the server's online, that means we can now config the files. But before we do that, we need to grab the port of our server for later. So head to system, go to server details, and then find the IP of your server, and you just want the numbers on the end that are past the colon. For me, that's 7005, and I'm just going to copy those numbers. Now I'm going to head to management, file management, and I'm going to click on the plugins folder, and then we need to go into the config folder for Geyser, and then the config.yml. Once you're in here, you should see the port section for Bedrock, and you want to change this to 7005. Scroll down to find the remote section, and it has another port. You want to change that again to 7005. And then we want to find the address section, which is also under remote, and we want to change that to the loopback IP, and that is 127.0.0.1, and then we want to come down to the auth type, and we want to change that to Floodgate, which is what we've just installed. And that's pretty much all the config editing you need to do. So press save file in the bottom right and head to system, console, and we can restart our server. Once your server's marked as on, we're good to go. So now I'm going to show you me connecting to the server on Java Minecraft, and then I'm going to show you me connecting to the server on Bedrock edition of Minecraft. First, we're on Java edition, so I'm going to click on multiplayer. I've already added my server. I'm going to connect, and we've loaded into the game. Now I'll show you me connecting on Bedrock edition. And here we've got the IP entered in on Bedrock edition. I'm going to press save, connect to the server, and there we go, we're in on the same server. And here you go, just to show you that this does work. Here's me on Bedrock, and here's me on Java edition. Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.